They give us the pretense of capitalism. They put a slick cover on it, some PR, some press releases, and all of a sudden the Silicon Valley model looks like it's capitalism, but it's not. Now, the Silicon Valley model is actually very simple if you understand how it works. So what they do to achieve monopoly power and scale their network effects is they scale as fast as they can, scale the network effects, and then they buy out all their potential competitors with stock that they printed out of thin air. You see, once the monopoly is achieved from this fake money from buyers, sellers, and users, then they're all captive to the big tech monopolies. And the monopolies get bigger and they get bigger. And then they use any of the profits they receive to buy back the shares they created from thin air. And they use that to, guess what? Eliminate even more competition, which then boosts the wealth of the insiders all the way to the moon. And of course, since share buybacks are legal today, they used to be illegal. They're legal today, but to me, it looks like legalized fraud. And I think this is the most obvious, at least to a growing number of people, that the destruction these big tech monopolies cause to society, it's massive. But the political power they purchase through big government lobbying protects them from any limits of free markets, right? Free markets would stop that, but no. They lobby to protect themselves from the free market, to strengthen their monopolies, allowing their platforms to control the flow of data, including political content and advertisements. Now, these monopolies, platforms that control the flow of data, news, narratives, they're basically privatized totalitarianism, all right? They're pretending to be capitalism. And like all totalitarian monopolies, big tech now claims you can't limit us because now you depend on us. We're too big to fail, they say. So in other words, big tech is now too centralized and too powerful to submit to. That's what they're telling us. All right. Now, it's a neat trick, of course, right? Enrich the super wealthy, the investor class with stock buybacks